Thank you very much for joining me on this Sunday. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields, tracking a couple things out there for you. First, here we are in the Caribbean, Gulf of Mexico, across the Atlantic. That there is Don. I'll get into Don. And then this here, a very strong tropical wave and another one back behind it. So that's what I want to begin with. Again, the end of this month will get more and more active with the chance of some of those waves developing. So let me show you that right off the bat. Here we are in the Caribbean, Barbados, St. Lucia, Dominica, Montserrat, St. Kitts and Nevis, Trinidad and Tobago, for example. And you see as we swing out here, let me take you out in time, watching that strong tropical wave. Now let me stop the clock here. This is by the time we get into the middle of the week. So what's going to happen here is there's two strong waves. One here, just coming off the coast of Africa. Models, the American model, European model, both a little bit split on which one will be kind of the dominant one. But again, there are two here by the middle of the week. Now, there's a lot of dry air out there, which is a good thing, and a lot of Sahara dust. So again, some of the models have them fall apart, but others show them kind of hanging together as well. So by the time we get into next weekend, and this is down the road, again, taking it well out in time, by the time we get into Saturday, so again, 6-7 days away from now, we'll still be watching these waves, but this one has the potential to at least hang together some and bring some substantial rain close to the Caribbean down the road, and then watching again another tropical wave back behind it that could develop. So the models kind of go back and forth on development. Occasionally, they want to make some of these tropical storms. So they have my attention. I'll be watching them. Lots of time to watch these roll off the coast of Africa. Got you covered. And that is common for this time of year. Again, as we go forward, July through August, again, we're deep into July now. And then especially as we get into August, the hurricane season really cranks up. So it is going to be more and more common to get these stronger waves and waves that will develop off the coast of Africa. So I'm watching it for you. But again, we got a couple big ones later in the upcoming week. I'll watch out for any signs of development. Now we have Don out there right now. The next name would be Emily, then Franklin, and then Gert after that. As we go down the list, Harold would be after that. Hopefully we don't get too far down the list this season. But again, tracking everything for you. Do this channel for safety. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing this channel with others. I see you doing that. All right, let's get a look at the Eastern Pacific real quickly. Here's Mexico. This here is Calvin. Here's Hawaii. And this is going to move into Hawaii in a different fashion though. A couple days ago, this was a major hurricane. And again, you see Mexico here. This will stay safely away from Mexico. Not coming up toward California. Here's Hawaii. There is Calvin. Of course, watching areas of heavy rain over toward parts of Nicaragua, Panama. I'll dive into that in a second. But the very latest on Calvin, on track from what we've been talking about together really over the last week or so. Again, tropical storm status as we get down the road. Right now, winds are still at hurricane status, but it's about to drop off and become a tropical storm because it's going to enter into cooler water, and then it will kind of transition itself out of a tropical system. But as it does, it will bring rain late Tuesday night into Wednesday, and some gusty winds to Hawaii. And I do suspect later today, even tomorrow, there could be some tropical storm watches out for at least the Big Island. So again, some watches out, possibility of that, because tropical storm conditions, you see all the models, will be more and more likely as we go over the next few days into Tuesday night and Wednesday. Now again, the modeling on track, everything I'm seeing, not just with models. I don't just look at the models, I look at what's going on in the environment. And here over time, these are those squiggly lines I showed you. Again, losing hurricane strength and moving into this green shading as we go out in time. This is 12 hours, 24, 36, 48 hours. So this is 2 days from now. 2 days from now, kind of a moderate tropical storm at that point as it gets very close to Hawaii, but still that weakening trend. And here's why it's going to weaken. Here's Hawaii right here. And look at these water temperatures it's about to go into. This green shading you're seeing here, 25 degrees to 26 degrees Celsius. That's about 76 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. That is cool, relatively speaking, for the tropics. So again, it's going to lose its fuel as it moves into some of that cooler water. That's why as it moves into Hawaii, we're going to continue to see the weakening trend out of that. So here it is, and let me show you this. Here's Calvin. This is today. Today still kind of a strong tropical storm as we go throughout the day. But again, it's about to enter into cooler waters. That's going to have the biggest impact on this. So let me stop the clock here. This is as we work our way into our Tuesday, and I want to give you a close closer look as well. So this is Tuesday afternoon. At this point, still a tropical storm. So we're still looking at this as a tropical storm approaching Hawaii. That's why I expect the watches to be issued, and then eventually some of those tropical storm warnings. So Tuesday afternoon, it's still off to the east, but as we go out in time, it starts to work in. This is Tuesday night, especially Wednesday morning. Wednesday would be the day for tropical storm impacts in parts of Hawaii. Watching out for the gusty winds, watching out for some of that rain moving in. This is Wednesday, again, really Tuesday night, since there's that time difference in the Pacific. Tuesday, I want to be clear on that. Again, this is Eastern time, U.S., so just so you could kind of calculate that. So really looking at Tuesday night. I should be more specific about that. And then through Wednesday, again, watching this, just continuing to weaken as it moves in. But gustier winds, higher surf, of course, and watching out for the rain that will be moving into Hawaii. Keep you posted on that. All right, let's get a look here. Here's the United States, Florida right here, Bahamas here. Here's Bermuda, the Azores here as expected. That almost looks like nothing. If you were just to look at this, you would just see a spin out there, but it is still classified as a subtropical storm. That is Don, and again, at any point, it really just may completely fall apart. So spinning out there, about to become a tropical depression, may just not be a classified system. So just kind of putting that one on the back burner. But look at that flare up of rain, south side of Belize, Guatemala, mainly inland, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, very active parts of Colombia, and my friends in Aruba, in Curacao, Bonaire, we finally had some showers, not for all of us, but in some spots yesterday, even a couple overnight. You may have been sleeping. There were a couple overnight in Aruba, so I've been watching that with that tropical wave that moved by. There is some rain nearby, keeping an eye on that, and scattered showers close to Trinidad and Tobago. Spotty shower in Antigua, Barbuda, Anguilla over toward the Virgin Islands. We may see a few, and again back through Puerto Rico, south side of the Dominican Republic, chance of a couple showers. So yes, the ABC Islands, still a chance of a shower today. I'll get into those forecasts. Heavier rain, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, spotty showers, Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, northern Venezuela, hit or miss showers. St. Lucia, Barbados, Dominica, Guadeloupe, Martinique, hit or miss showers. So we'll see a couple just kind of working in over towards Saba, Statia, over towards St. Bart's, hit or miss shower. As we get into Monday, kind of an in-between day. Rain chance goes down in the Eastern Caribbean. Still some spotty storms possible. Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and in Haiti. Jamaica, we'll see some hit or miss storms. Again, no big blob of rain for us in Jamaica, but again, we will get some scattered storms. I'll dive into that forecast and for the Cayman Islands as well. As we get our way into our Tuesday, things will be more active. Again, a little bit more rain. Jamaica, Cuba, Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, chance of a few showers. Haiti, Dominican Republic. Keeping an eye on this blob too. It looks like it is going to shift a little bit to the north as we get into the middle of the week. I'll watch out for that. And then things picking up again on Tuesday in the Eastern Caribbean. That's when we'll see the rain chance going back up. So I want to get into that, and you can see it here as we go forward. In Jamaica, rain chance is a little more elevated. Not a washout by any means, but a 40% chance for today. But you see on Tuesday, as I was just showing you on the model, we're going to see that rain chance getting a little higher as we work our way into Tuesday, kind of bumping around in the Cayman Islands, about a 40% chance for tomorrow. There is that chance of some passing showers and some storms. Belize holding at about a 30% chance near Belize City. South, southern Belize will see a better chance of rain, about a 40 to 50% chance. To break that down more specifically, Costa Rica rain chance stays elevated, watching out for the isolated flooding. Rain chance goes down a touch as we work our way into Monday and Tuesday. Haiti, scattered storms around, not for all of us, but we'll get some of those scattered storms that will be around across Haiti today and tomorrow. A 50% chance. Dominican Republic, again, rain chance stays elevated, 50 to 60% chance. This is not all day stuff, but a 60% chance of rain tomorrow. Puerto Rico tomorrow, 50% chance of rain. We're going to see some scattered storms. We have been so hot in Puerto Rico and in many spots, especially with that dust around. We'll see some relief with some storms. 30 to 40% chance of those passing showers over across the U.S. Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands, and the Virgin Islands right off to the east of Puerto Rico. As we work our way into the Bahamas, rain chance about 30% Monday and Tuesday. It picks up some in the southern Bahamas. I was showing you that in the model. Turks and Caicos, as I mentioned, rain chance will bump up a little bit on Tuesday. May even be a little higher on Tuesday. Could be 40, 50%. So again, we'll just see how things shake out the next couple days. Aruba, still a chance of a passing passing shower. Best chance will actually be early today, so keep me posted. Same thing in Curacao because there's some activity nearby. So again, chance of a shower, and then later in the day, about a 20% chance down to a 10% chance for tomorrow. Trinidad and Tobago, a chance of scattered showers today. May catch a couple as you head off to church. As we work our way into our Tuesday, a 50% chance. So it goes back up on Tuesday, even Wednesday. Grenada, same thing. Rain chance starts to go back up on Tuesday. I was showing you tomorrow's kind of the in-between day. Then on Tuesday, rain chance will be higher. St. Vincent and the Grenadines by Tuesday, a 40 to 50% chance. St. Lucia, 50% chance today, 30% chance tomorrow, 50% chance on Tuesday. Barbados, 50% chance today, 40% chance tomorrow, 50% chance by Tuesday. As we work our way into Dominica, bouncing around to a 30 to 40% chance of some spotty showers. Guadeloupe, Martinique, same thing, a little bit higher as we work our way into Tuesday. And then St. Kitts and Nevis, rain chance 30 to 40% over toward Montserrat. St. Martin, Saint Eustatia, 40% chance today. Back up a touch on Tuesday as we get a little tropical wave that will start to move in. 30% chance of rain today. Antigua, Barbuda, there could be a couple showers around. And same thing, Anguilla, rain chance for today at 30%. So again, getting more and more active. Those two strong tropical waves off the coast of Africa, I led with those for a reason, watching out for some signs of development. They may not develop, but again, they're kind of the first shot of some bigger waves that may develop some. I want to see, though, how they interact with the dust and the dry air first, and they're way out there. Lots of time to watch those, so watching out for some development in those. Calvin, headed toward Hawaii. I broke that down again, especially late Tuesday night. Should be watches and warnings soon posted for Hawaii. And Don just spinning kind of aimlessly out there in the North Atlantic. Keep you up to date on that. But I'll keep you up to date on those tropical waves. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Thank you for putting up with me, spending some time with me, and I hope you have a good day ahead.